With the trad wife aesthetic, we are currently having another aesthetic going on, the skinny, clean girl, no personality aesthetic. Hi ladies and the other gender and gentlemen. This video is for you too, cause I saw a lot these days of women and men being so influenced by social media in such a toxic way. So let's talk about it. If you see from the past, like 2000, if you even see Emma Stone's video from like early 2000s and something, she had a freaking personality, but now you see her, she's just stone. Like, the personality from a woman is being robbed. And you will find so many videos on internet talking about this thing, and I don't want to repeat their lines because some videos are there just awesome. But the fact is, women are being sold this idea, like 20, 19, 18-year-olds are sold this idea that a woman should be stay-at-home mom, and living in a farm life is good, and cooking in the kitchen is good. But if you want to do it, it's totally fine, it's totally your choice. But the fact is, this idea is being sold to literal 16, 17-year old, the people who haven't even developed their frontal lobe. They are being sold this idea of love and life. Social media is so influential. Everyone, like, if Hailey Bieber or anyone starts a trend, like her road lip balm trend, and anything, a sushi eating with face mask trend, everything that social media can affects a lot. But now the movies, the social media and everything are not going and you know transforming your life in a positive way. They are making your life more petite and be small. If you see these days Bollywood heroines, or Hollywood actress, you will realize there is a certain pattern in them. They are getting skinnier, they are getting personality less. Like, we don't want to see cardboard boxes on a TV, but we are, right? And it's not just affecting women. Like, people argue that it's not just affecting women. Think about this. A 17-year-old boy is sold the idea that he has to be provider of a family of 6, and he have to be living in these cool farmhouse mansion type kind of things, which he has to provide for his wife that he hasn't found yet. And that's what his whole life purpose is. This is what idea is. And if you see the movies, the whole idea of them is like these six-pack abs, and having the six-figure business, these big cars and bikes and everything. They are being sold this idea of being a toxic male cheater husband who's gonna provide for his woman, and a woman is being sold the idea of being a petite stay-at-home wife. Do you connect the dots here? Like, a 17-year-old is being sold the idea that a happy life is where he is providing, and he has the mental pressure to do so, and his wife is gonna be a stay-at-home wife, and that's how things should be. Bro, our ancestors fought their life to escape this, and you want to circle back into this? Like, where? What? Like, there was a study, like 33% of Gen Z men have these conservative thinking. That number is lower in boomers. Like, even your parents were better in thinking, and this is the idea we are being sold by Bollywood and Hollywoods. The thing I want to highlight is that being vulnerable, crying, and being just yourself was, that's something that we were fighting for. Like, women are privileged in this, right? Women are privileged because we can cry, and they will just say that cry like a girl. But if a man is crying, he's not seen as a man. Like, why? This is something that we should normalize. This is something that our movies should normalize, not the toxic cheating culture. This is something you should normalize, because the more you see, the more you normalize. And you're normalizing cheating right now. No, you should normalize crying boys, losing their job, or something like that. Not just perfect male characters who have figured out their lives. Like, another thing is that when you see early 2000s drama and the rom-com, the male character had a personality, he had humor, he had class, he had the way, the charm in him. Now when you see the movies, it's just a cardboard box with six-pack abs and a heavy voice. That's all the package they are selling. Like, okay, just don't give me six pack abs, give me a freaking personality, dude. Like, where is the personality? Personality is being robbed from females and males in their movies, in their cast. Like, everybody is being PR trained so much that now you won't see a celebrity being authentic. Because we as people, as audience, called authenticity as cringe and being a cardboard box as cool. Like, if you think about the peak era for rom-coms and for movies, people had personalities. If you go and watch all those interviews, people had some personality in them. We knew people as they were. But I don't know where this went down to drain, and now people don't have any personality. People are just being a cardboard box. So I guess this should be a reminder to you guys, okay, that don't follow everything you see on social media, because social media is being just a clone. Everybody is just being clone of another person. Like, everybody is trying to be another person. Where is the freaking personality? Social media is robbing you of your own personality. Guys and girls and any other gender watching this, social media is literally robbing you of your own personality, and you are letting it rob. Who said the nonchalant was in trend? Social media. Who said that you should be emotionless? Social media. Who said that women should be certain way or not should be certain way? Social media. Who set it this standards? Social media. That's always been this media era that set it all these things. So the more you being influenced by this, like a few days back, I was just scrolling and I found this guy. There was a video of a woman and a guy complimented her, and he just walked past her, and it was such a beautiful moment, because it's rare that guy compliments a woman for her, like the way she looked, and not just hit on her or harass her like that. It was very respectful. And then the host, the yapper, was like, he should have stopped and then continued bro. I was happy seeing that video, because he respected her, he complimented her, and he went on his life. Why are you changing the narrative there? We don't need. Recently I stumbled upon a thing called Rape Academy. 62 million people visited that last month. This is what social media is doing to you guys. This is what your children are seeing. If any parent is seeing, this is what your children are seeing, what your children are being taught. And I don't think as a society you ever want your daughter to be someone's victim. So stop your sons, okay? It's high time that we stop normalizing the shit that shouldn't be normalized, okay? Like, I got so pissed when I saw that. Like, it's 2026, guys, and somebody take that website down, for God's sake, first of all. Like, please do something about it, because it's not all men, but it's always a man, and it's always a man because we are not doing anything about it. We are just being quiet. And if you don't speak up, nothing will change. And if nothing will change, your daughter, your sister, or your mother, someone will be uncomfortable because of this, and then you will blame the society, guys. Please do something about it. And I know this is very unstructured video, but social media, I have to say this, because social media is, you know altering people's personality at such an extent that people have forgotten how reality works, and how much authenticity is good, because authentic people are just marketed as cringe people. So yeah, I think, like, I didn't want to make this video so long, but this is what I really wanted to talk about, because social media is actually ruining your brains, and it could ruin the next generation that is about to come, because we are just making a very bad digital footprint, and I don't think we should do that, right? So I think, as a citizen of this world, we are citizens of this world, I think we should take some steps to make sure that every creature on this planet is safe. And I'm gonna conclude this video on this note, that if nothing changes, nothing changes, and stop being a cardboard box of a personality, and live a life that you want to, not just the way it is sold to you.